Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to temporarily close your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you have not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your Shopify account where your store is. So go ahead and log into your account, and after which you can now access this main page where we can take a look at all the sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with temporarily closing our store. What we're going to do is go right here into the settings option in the bottom left corner. Clicking on the settings option is going to open up this new menu of all the settings you can access for your store, such as general, plan, billing, and so on. And what we're going to be doing is opening up the plan section right here. Clicking on plan is going to open up our plan details right here, showing us what plan we are using, how much time we have left, and so on. As you can see, this is my current plan. And basically guys, if you have a premium plan, an option right here is going to say to close your store by canceling your plan. So all we have to do is just go ahead and cancel your plan. You can click the cancel trial option, and after clicking cancel trial, this is going to enable you to cancel your store. Nobody will be able to access it anymore, but it will not be permanently deleted. Once you go ahead and get another plan and activate your store again, the store will be accessible and is going to be online again. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.